escape them rainy days, rocking designer shades, but you in the shade. She's so funny, talking like she rarely get high, reminiscing when the nigga could barely get by.
I'm feeling so free. Just imagine relaxing anywhere low-key, and no one really knows what tomorrow gon' bring. So I'ma live for the day, yeah, that's the only way. My mind clear, no stress, heavy meditation. Loud sessions of blessing, that's heavy medication. Heart full, eyes low, with my mind racing. Me and ruler spaced out with high conversations about our dreams. I'm in the race, taking the winner's place. She wanna get away, but she in the daze. Dark clouds, she wanna escape them rainy days. Rocking designer shades, but you in the shade. She's so funny, talking like she rarely get hot, reminiscing when the nigga could barely get by. Now I'm on top of the world like I really could die, and we just living out our dreams only money could buy. I'm in the race, taking the winner's place. I lay her body down, she let me penetrate. Her sweet escape, right into a sweet embrace. Our souls intertwined, call it a twist of fate. Then we drift away into a dream world. It's only fitting cause I'm right next to my dream girl. Ramona Flowers, so silent, but I never bothered. Then I fell asleep and dreamed about my grandfather. Said he looking down, and he proud of me. Kisses from my grandmother, and they proud of me. Then I woke up, and it disappeared, but it felt so real, so crystal clear. It's crystal clear that I'm here for a real reason. It came to me blowing trees just the other evening. Life's fragile, it can end in an instant. In the beginning or the end, never could tell the difference. I'm in the race, taking the winner's place. And while you in her face, I give her space. While she return, maybe I don't know. They said my mind gone, but I'm feeling right at home like. And this is not a love song, but I swear my word is bond. And love was in that letter that she left me. I never wrote her back, man, I just hope she don't resent me. She the best I ever had, and I just hope she don't forget me. She don't forget